Mayong hapon!
Kasi
Coco Grove. Coco Grove Hotel. Dito tayo sa Coco Grove, guys. Go na? Ay, wait. So, ito ang room namin. Sanctuary Villa, 80. Beachfront, the beachfront.
vlog ka mo.
Thank you so much. Thank you! Wow! Ito ay first pool. Let me just call it first pool. Wow! Dapat pala dyan ako. Sige, thank you. Ganda-ganda naman ang pool. Ito yung pool na near the front desk. Yung malapit sa room namin. Ayun yata yung sa malapit sa spa, no? Salamandas Restaurant. Bukas na yung Salamandas. Ay, nabasa ko po ba yung mga bago kayong open na room? Bagong gawang building?
Tama, sa Sunset.
Nasa Sunset? Saan po ang Sunset?
Doon ma'am, sa kabila.
Nasa kabila. Ay, binidyohan ako. Thank you. Siyempre birthday. Happy na birthday pa. Nandito tayo sa Coco Grove. Special celebration. Happy New Year, happy birthday. Main International. Ito yung, dito yung may fire dancers. Iti, ano na naganda oh.
Oo, sige, huwag ka mag-alala. Maubusan tayo ng film.
Yung Olympic pool, ma'am, yung doon po.
Ano na?
Ano sa Lamandas kanan?
Oo.
Beach bar, kaliwa.
Oh, dyan tayo mamayang gabi. Kasi yan yung pina-reserve
Yung
mo.
may fire dancers.
Oh, tumingin sa dinadaanan, madam.
Oh, I love it. Ayun din nakalagay, Tubod Marine Sanctuary.
Excited na excited. Ay,
Tubod
pumigil
Marine
ah.
Sanctuary. Matulog ka na, ano ako. Just joke lang.
May alak kang libre ah.
Oo nga, may free wine.
Oh, sige, magpakabangan para tulog agad.
May free wine. May complimentary wine.
Oo.
Thank you, Coco Grove.
Yun na.
And the next day, and the next day. Ganda. What can you say, huh? What can you say?
Happy birthday. Birthday na. Happy pa.
Oh my God. This is so, this is so private. This is, yun na, malapit na, oh. Ito po yung mga sanctuary villa niya na. Ah, oo, one.
Ano number ka?
3 tayo, 3.
3. Sige.
Oh, look. Oh my God. I love it. Ito, may kapitbahay tayo. Sa mga foreigners. Ara. Oh, yun tayo, babe. Ayan na, sige na. Gusto na ko lang sa'yo. Yan. Ganda po ng tapat namin, oh. Yan, oh. Beachfront. Ay, madumi yung shoes ko. Nahiya ako. Salamat kaayo. Baby, yung pang-kit natin.
May bato ma'am.
Thank you. Oo nga, magdudumi kami.
May alak, naghihintay sa'yo.
Complimentary po yun, ma'am.
Oh my God, we have complimentary wine.
And fruits, also water and coffee.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you. Ano mong name mo? Ah,
Makmak po, makmak.
Makmak. Thank you.
Dito yung bato ma'am.
Sige.
Ito yung may bayad dito.
Ah, walang problema. Sige. Sobrang saya ko na sa wine. May wine kasi. Ay, ang ganda. OMG! Hi! What's your name? Ba't nandito ka sa room ko? Ano pa na yan? Dalawa sila. Nakazipay, no?
Yung isa.
Salamat.
Si pangalan.
Zipay.
Jitoy po, Jitoy.
Ay, Jitoy.
Hello po. Enjoy your day
Sorry,
po.
thank you.
Happy birthday po, ma'am.
Salamat kaayo.
Happy siya sa inyo. Salamat kayo.
So, ito pala yung sinasabi nila na ano, good for 4 kasi 2 beds. Eh, pwede naman tayong ano, 1 bed lang. Pag galit-galit, maghiwalay. Ayan na mga kapatid. Ito yung violet na lang.
7 p.m. ba? Or before 7 p.m. daw, pwede na daw pumunta sa
Wow, beachfront. Ito ang aming room. Bye! Kaya tayo. Baklang-bakla ang boses ng puja. Oh, ang sarap pa dito ng fish sa bed and then may guest tayo doon sa labas. Makapagubad, Diyos. Morning, sige, War. Morning. Morning.
Wala na sabi.
So how do you find Coco Grove?
The pool is so good.
What else?
Nakaka-practice ka dito na.
House Tubod, snorkeling tour.
Sakto naman kasi may turtle naman. Happy.
What else?
Basta happy ka, happy.
What else did you love about Coco Grove?
Yung pag-handle nila ng guests, very entertaining. And nagbibigay talaga sila ng satisfaction.
Oh, really?
So, sulit ang 22,000.
22,000 if you're senior citizen or PWD discount.
But for regular rates, sulit ay 26.
Or 26, 25.
Yeah.
It's still worth it. It's
Worth it talaga. Ang daming
It
gwapo
gives you
tsaka magaganda.
holiday vibes.
Ha? Ang daming gwapo at magaganda. Tsaka hindi magulo. Hindi masikip.
Uh-huh.
Mapapaulit.
Are you going back? Sa birthday
Kahit sa
mo?
iba ng kahit sa iba na ng navela, kahit hindi naman yun nandun.
Ay,
Masyado
but-
rin tahimik eh.
You want
May
noisy?
maganda rin, hindi naman noisy, medyo maganda rin yung malapit sa mga party places para.
Kasi I chose that for honeymoon.
Ikaw, how's your experience since first day na nag-check-in dito
This is my most memorable birthday experience.
Ang ganda eh, na?
From just simply entering the hotel vicinity itself. Diba? The rooms, the cleanliness, the customer service, the attentiveness of the staff.
Oo. Attentive talaga. Hindi mo pa hinihingi na ibigay na.
And na-surprise ako sa complimentary wine and foods pagdating sa room. I don't know if it's because it's my birthday or talaga may pa-complimentary wine sila.
Mag-wine na tayo later.
It's something that I did not expect kasi parang hindi ko naman siya nakita sa sa itinerary or sa binayaran ko. Ang nakakatuwa sa pool nila, merong mga labels kung saan yung 5 feet, yung 8 feet,
Siyempre.
11 feet, 12 feet.
For
Dito
safety.
sa buong sides ng pool, iba-iba. Kaya maganda.
Kaso ano eh, makulimlim, hindi maaraw. Ayan o.
Mamaya naman daw kami sa ibang ano naman, like Temples Mount.
Upuan.
Ganda?
Ayan ba? Yung sarap sa mababaw, mag-start.
Ha?
Hi, this is the Coco Beach Bar. Meron silang barbecue dinner tonight. Thank you! Yan ang kanilang barbecue dinner. Anyway, tinatawag na ako. Diyan na.
Thank you. We thank you, Siri. We thank you, Diana Marie, for celebrating your birthdays with us together with your loved ones and family. We wish you good health always and the love coming from your family and friends. And again, thank you for making it here in Siquijor Island and most especially right here at Coco Grove Beach Resort. And how about getting a short message from the family? Sophie? Nathan? Any birthday wish for Siri?
Happy birthday, darling!
Thank you very much, Sophie, for that message. And Gertrude, any message for Diana Marie?
Happy birthday. I wish you good health and long life.
Yay! Thank you so much. Thank you. And any message for Franco from the family?
Happy birthday, Franco! I love you!
Wow. The speaker from the family speaks up. Wow, thank you so much again. Let's do this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Once again to all our birthday celebrants, Siri, Franco, and Diana Marie. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Once again, thank you so much, DJ Monica. Give us some beat.
Show them it, girl. Put a bang bang.
And of course,
Bounce with it.
inviting everyone to celebrate with a birthday.
Here at Salamanda's restaurant, I guess international cuisine. Maayong buntag! Hi Stella! I love your performances last night. Maayong buntag everyone! Ito pa yung napili naming seat sa restaurant. Talagang beachfront talaga, no? I used to dream of eating dun sa Cabana. Pero I think bukas na siya. Yung Cabana, gusto ko kasi maupo sa Cabana bago tayo magpunta dito. But I guess this is perfect. Mag-Cabana na lang tayo kapag perfect. Mag-Cabana tayo kasi, di ba, either Salamandas or Beach Bar.
May tao na eh. Ang tagal kasi natin.
Say hi, say hi. Say hi to my viewers. Hi, what's your name?
Salamanda.
Is it Jet or Jetrude?
Ayoko.
Ayan.
Ayaw.
See you later for more. From the pool bar, ito lang yung kanilang billiard game room. Tapos, nandun yung kiddie room, kiddie playground. Tapos, yung tabi nitong billiard, yun na yung Island Treasure. If you would like to buy some souvenirs. Tambay pa ba tayo? Saan tayo? Upo. Saan tayo? Sige. So, yan yung billiard room. Ayan yung Island Treasure for souvenirs. Sige, paghahan natin. Tapos, ito na yung pond. Yung harap niya yung pinakamalaking swimming pool. And beach. Nandun yung dive shop. Island Souvenir. Punta tayo? Island Treasure for souvenirs. Okay. Island Treasure. Good afternoon. Maayong hapon. Ay, gusto ko yun. Wala na akong space. Dito pala yung sunglasses eh. Going to the billiard room from the Island Treasure Souvenir Shop. Yan. So ito yung games nila. Tapos nandun yung mga billiards, and they also have darts. Yan. Naglalaro pa muna kami, and then ayun lang yung kanila kids playroom. So far, wala akong interest magpunta ng gym room. Doon pa yun sa malayo. Ngayong hapon, pwedeng manghiram na. Babe! Hi! Dito po tayo sa fish pond ng Coco Grove.
Pond lang, mini pond lang.
Malapit sa big pool, yung malalim.
Malapit sa big pool.
Yung 12 feet. Malapit din sa dive shop.
So, sa mga pupunta dito, anong masasabi mo to guide them? Ano ang mga magandang puntahan at unahin, mga pictures? Oo.
Well, later, meron akong map. You can follow the map kung ano gusto niyong i-book na for beachfront. Actually, pag nandito ka na, kahit na ang dami-daming ino-offer, ang gusto mo lang talaga mag-beach, mag-pool. Yung beach nga, hindi pag-aano kasi napagod na kami mag-snorkeling kahit 1 hour lang. So, ako talaga, laid back kasi ako. So, mas na-enjoy ko yung stay lang talaga sa room, sa bathtub. May mga rooms silang may bathtub, may rooms na wala. So, kung ako sa inyo, kahit na medyo pricey, it's for yourself naman, love yourself. Give the best for yourself. No? Kung sa City Hermoplan, maraming mura, yes. Pero hindi lahat ng resort may front beach na ganito kaganda, na ganito ka-exclusive. Kung bibigyan mo ako ng mumurahing resort, tapos secure, I would say na it's best in Boracay. Pero kung mag-i-stay ka, Coco Grove versus Boracay, Coco Grove ka na. Kasi ito is exclusive, private, beach hotel. mura lang din naman. Affordable naman. May murang rooms, start to 6 or 7,000 pesos. Ang prices kasi nila nagbabago depende sa season. Merong iba low season lang. Mas mura, merong mas mahal. Ito kasi, high season kasi to from January to, April. If I'm
summer.
not mistaken. So, ayun. I think yung normal nila, if I'm not mistaken, is 26 to 28,000. Kasi PWD ako, nakuha ko lang siya ng 11,200 per night. So, that's 22,400 for 3 days of 2 nights.
Ah.
So, sulit siya. Kung ako tatanungin nyo, yes, it may be expensive to some. Pero kung nagtatrabaho ka naman, di ba? Kung may matino ka namang work, or let's say, kaya mo na rin i-afford to. Kung hindi mo naman kailangan mag-private, mag-premium room. Kung gusto mo standard room ka, affordable for what it can offer. Maraming beach bed, maraming cabanas. Ayan, na yung room namin, yung room ko. Good, may tao doon. Lakad tayo. Look at this, it's so nice. Ito na po yung Wood Marine Sanctuary. Sarap po dyan, sarap dito mag-snorkeling. Hi! So, this is the beach bar, Coco Grove Beach Bar. And then, yung Temple Spa is just, right behind it. So, ayun yung mga sanctuary villas. Last 4 sanctuary villas. And then, ito lang kalapit. So, you'll see, nakalagay, Temple Spa, Pool, Quiet Zone, hanggang 5 p.m. lang to. Nandiyan na rin yung spa nila if you want to go to spa. So, hindi ka muna dito kung gusto mo. And then, avail the spa packages. Later, I will show you the rates. Pero it's nice. I love the color. And I'll show you more later. Thank you. From sanctuary rooms, ito po yung casitas and then private entrance towards the temple spa. Yung pinakita ko kanina. Let's see. Private rooms. Temple spa. Let's go. Silence is a must. Got me tired. Maayong hapon. Wow. Looks good. Thank you. Anong name mo? Angelica. Thank you, Angelica. Ang dami namang Angelica dito.
Sa front desk rin.
So, ayun sila si Angelica. This looks nice. Aba, meron pa kayong bathtub dito? Seriously? For the body scrub.
Hi guys! Thank you for watching, and as promised, ito na yung service rates ng Temple Spa. And so far, nag-research ako bago ako magpunta ng Siquijor. Ito na talaga yung pinakamasasabi kong best, and hindi ako hindi ako nagkamali sa expectations ko. Thank you, Coco Grove, for the best birthday experience I've ever had. Thank you for watching, everyone.